where I was shooting 2 straight. Remember banned for literally no reason?
There's nothing wrong with me cheating. What is wrong with me cheating?
Alright, Call of Duty is a scumbag. Like, there's no two ways about it. Like, the man is a scumbag.
Amen, Tall James. Amen.
So tired of these 30 IQ brain dead idiots who listen to people like Hall of Fame.
Over the past few days, cheating has been off the chart. They infested the game with a speed hack, and the cheaters were having a great time, as they spoilt the game for just about everyone. But it also helped to expose streamers, who were also cheating. Let me explain. Today, as always, I want to share with you all the very latest news as it happens. There is a new speed hack that's going around allowing players to move around the map like superheroes. Streamers are being caught locking onto them and tracking them as they move fast, which is impossible. Cheaters are exposing cheaters, and it's hilarious. Keep your eyes open for streamers being caught following the movement. They are in full panic mode this morning. They are trying to claim its rotational aim assist. No, not this time.
Stop with the speed hack movement.
This streamer called Falnets, who always plays with FaZe Neo, has been caught cheating. He is trying to claim its aim assist, but that's not how aim assist works. If this was aim assist, why doesn't the same thing happen to this guy? These streamers are all being caught red-handed, and it's hilarious.
Remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
These quote-unquote movement demons are self-exposing themselves. Keep an eye on them, and if you see anything suspicious, please bring this to my attention immediately. Many people reported on Ricochet being offline over the past few days, some even coming into my comments trying to claim responsibility.
We have taken Ricochet offline to expose everything. You post old video days late because you're a fake hacker hunter. You had big chance to cover the Caps video, but you didn't because you are fraud. Much work was put into that content.
I explained very clearly, this was not the case, and Ricochet was not disabled by hackers. This is why I refused to cover this nonsense. I also refused to cover that silly video from the cheater Kapzlock. I will never give cheaters a platform. This person right here, openly cheating for content, is why we are in this position today. The methods in this video have already been detected, it's just old news. Ridiculous. The creator of the video, Kapzlock, even has a partnership with a website selling scripts to manipulate recoil and aim assist through DS4 Windows. You can adjust your recoil, and even increase your aim assist, which modify the DS4 Windows files. That is called cheating. He even has his own little discount code. Are you kidding me? You just can't fix stupid. I didn't even know who this guy was, until a few days ago, but it turns out he hates Call of Shame, but cheaters hate me, and that's okay. Many people were fooled, thinking Ricochet was offline. But this was simply not true. A single telemetry system was temporarily taken offline to receive an upgrade, while Ricochet continued to monitor the cheating in silent mode. Upon restarting after the upgrade, all those little cheaters have been slapped with a ban. A whopping 6,000 in total. This is what Ricochet had to say.
As part of ongoing security updates, a single telemetry system was taken offline for upgrades over the weekend. This action resulted in cheat developers claiming the Ricochet anti-cheat was offline. It was not. As a result of monitoring activity over the weekend and the purposeful reactivation of this upgraded system, Team Ricochet was able to identify and ban over 6,000 accounts for cheating and hacking from February 16th to February the 20th.
It was the Call of Duty developers that had the last laugh, as thousands were banned, clearly showing Ricochet was indeed not offline. Let me show you what using his little discount code gets you. This is called cheating, loaded with macros, anti-recoil, added aim assist and more. This nonsense will get you shadow banned fast. This guy thinks streamers are not responsible for cheating, and begs you not to harass streamers. He's softer than a snowflake. For some insane reason, this guy is trying to paint this cheater like a superhero to the community. The enemy is not Ricochet. When did your lines become blurred? If it wasn't for cheaters like this, then Ricochet wouldn't be needed. Remember that. It's cheaters that have ruined the game for everyone. Not an anti-cheat. It's not just Ricochet that has issues, it's the same everywhere. Apex Legends is filled with cheating. The same thing in Fortnite. This community needs to stop glorifying cheaters and cheat developers, it's actually embarrassing. Stop it. Call of Shame are proud to partner with Total Antivirus, bringing you the best in online security. Their award-winning antivirus is trusted by millions all over the world. Their software benefits from not only regular virus updates, but you can also quarantine suspicious files, keeping you safe. You will never have to worry about adware, ransomware, scareware, trojans or malware again. The Web Shield will keep you safe while browsing online. Eliminate those irritating ads, pop-ups and notifications that clog the screen on your favorite websites. Never lose a password again with this handy security add-on. Store all your passwords securely in one place, and lock them safely up in your vault. Whether you have a laptop, desktop computer, smartphone or tablet, they have you covered. Through Call of Shame, you can get an incredible 80% discount today by using the link on the screen. You can also scan the QR code, that's this right here. I personally use this software on my own PCs. It's not just a partnership, it's something I trust myself. Please check the video description for more information. Following my recent video, I called out Nick Mercs defending well-known cheaters. He made wild claims that Zlaner, Diaz Biffle and FaZe Neo have never cheated in Warzone. Well, he's blocked me on Twitter.
Just like Biffle? Yeah, everybody thought Biffle was cheating. He went to land dominated. Now you know he's not cheating. That's it. Done.
That's it. Done? You cannot be serious.
Z-Laner's been to a bunch of lands, chat, and his gameplay is very comparable to his gameplay at home. Z-Laner does not cheat. He's very good at the game, though. Very, very good.
Apparently, he is very sensitive when talking about his boy FaZe Neo.
Exactly like your boy Neo. Well, Gianni, I don't know how long you've been in my stream, but I flew him out to my apartment, and we played tournaments for a week at my house. I've seen what he can do. I made him get on my stream and play on my setup. So, trust me, man, for like 8-9 years now, that kid's been just different, bro. Neo's an animal. Now, he hasn't gone to any big-time tourneys and whatnot, which is mad annoying. I'm always trying to push the kid to go do that, but there's a lot going on there, you know what I mean? It's not so simple.
So, according to Nick Mercs, if streamers play significantly different on LAN, they are cheating. So, with that being said, let's see what happened the last time FaZe Neo attended a LAN event. We all know that FaZe Neo and FaZe Kaylee both were completely useless and exposed live for the world to see. At one point Nick Mercs wants to substitute Kaylee and Neo immediately.
A couple rounds over here, man. Listen, I need Snipe and I need their pro sub as well over here. We'll solve both out over here for like both of these two, right?
You want the game 3, game 4?
Yeah, I think we need it, man. We're struggling. We haven't won a round.
It's all very uncomfortable to watch, and Tim the Tatman decides to defuse the situation, as it's getting totally out of control.
You need to get your team morale up. Your team morale is low. Can't hear anything. Well, I think he has 12 damage. Yeah, well.
Again, Nick Mercs states that FaZe Neo is basically useless, and Tim the Tatman yet again informs Nick Mercs to encourage Neo and not be mean to him.
Shit, got no damage. Just a hitting the shot.
Hey, you got a controller at least? There's
You're not doing anything, man. We flew you in on a helicopter.
Dude. Hey, Nick. Nick.
Try to be encouraging. I can't hear a thing. Try to be encouraging. Don't be so mean to him. No, he's chalked. That's not going to work, man. Yeah, all right. You gotta stick with her. You keep running away from her, and then they get flanked, and then you're just sitting there.
Look, the guy just runs off yet again, it's embarrassing. This bedroom Warzone streamer is completely out of his depth. Nick Merckx informs Neo he has been training for 7 years to get this opportunity.
Really upgrade fucking crazy. They haven't had a kill yet. Neo, please, bro. Come on. We did not train 7 years for this. We played 7 years for this. Let's go, baby. Come on.
There is no coming back from that, especially for self-proclaimed Apex Legends pro gamer, FaZe Kaylee. She was absolutely terrible. In the heat of the moment, he actually admitted to cheating.
Can we have a normal discussion, please? Why do you use permanent UAV? It's so obvious. Because I can. And you're going to do nothing about it. And I'm going to play video games as a job, and nothing's going to happen. That's why. Because I can get away with it. What do you mean, why? What the fuck?
So, remember, if you are a streamer, and you don't perform on LAN, you're cheating. But, you can't hold FaZe Neo by those same standards, because Nick Merckx said so. Make no mistake, Neo was completely exposed at LAN, and has failed to attend an in-person event since. You tried to become a hacker hunter, but fell at the first hurdle. You then collaborated with a cheater while actively cheating, lining your own pockets using a discount code for cheat software. You are actively adding to the cheating problem. You're quite the little snowflake, aren't you? Got anything else to say?
Use code Kapzlock that will give you 10% off.
You spineless little rat.
UAV online. Tactical nuke ready for launch.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Well done. Call of Shame wins. Flawless victory.